English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 time conversion. Number 3, find the answer of the following question. If 1st August is Thursday, then what day of the week will be in June 5? And day between June 25 remaining and July 31 and August 1. Okay, then it means 57 days. And 57 divided by 7, because 7 days in a week, that means 8 week and 1 day remaining. Okay, continue back 1 day from Thursday in first week, 1st August Thursday, 1 day back from the Thursday, it means Wednesday. And number 2, if 1st October is Saturday, then what will be week in the to be 31 October. 31 October, difference 31 minus 1 equal to 30 days. Then divided by 7 in 4 week, 2 day remaining. Okay, 2 days after Saturday. 2 day after Saturday. That means Saturday. 1st October was Saturday. That means Saturday, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, this is a Monday will be answer.